The Realme P4x is a modern mid-range smartphone designed for users who want strong performance, stylish design, and reliable battery life at an affordable price. The phone features a sleek and premium-looking body with a smooth matte finish on the back that resists fingerprints and gives the device a clean and elegant appearance. The camera module on the back is designed in a vertical pill-shaped layout that holds multiple camera sensors and an LED flash, giving the phone a modern flagship-style look. The device feels slim and comfortable in the hand, and the flat frame design makes it easy to grip while also adding to its premium aesthetic. On the front, the phone comes with a large high-quality display that provides bright colors and sharp visuals. The screen is designed to deliver a smooth viewing experience whether you are watching videos, browsing social media, or playing games. With a high refresh rate display, scrolling feels fluid and responsive, which makes everyday use more enjoyable. The display also offers good brightness levels so it remains visible even in outdoor lighting conditions. The thin bezels around the screen help maximize the display area, giving users a more immersive viewing experience. Performance is one of the important highlights of this smartphone. The device is powered by an efficient processor that is designed to handle everyday tasks smoothly. Whether you are using multiple apps, watching high-resolution videos, or playing mobile games, the phone delivers stable and reliable performance. The processor is optimized for power efficiency, which means it balances performance and battery consumption very well. Combined with sufficient RAM, the phone allows smooth multitasking and quick app switching without lag. Storage on the device is also designed to meet modern user needs. It provides enough internal storage to save photos, videos, apps, and documents. Many users today rely heavily on their phones for capturing memories, downloading content, and installing apps, and this device ensures there is enough space to support that. Some variants may also support expandable storage, allowing users to increase storage capacity if needed. The camera system of the phone is another important feature. The rear camera setup is designed to capture clear and detailed photos in different lighting conditions. The primary sensor focuses on delivering sharp images with natural colors, while the additional camera sensors help with depth and wider shooting capabilities. The phone also includes several camera modes that enhance photography such as portrait mode, night mode, and AI scene optimization. These features help the camera automatically adjust settings for better image quality. For video recording, the camera supports high-definition recording that allows users to capture smooth and detailed videos. On the front side, the phone includes a selfie camera that is designed for social media photos, video calls, and content creation. The front camera captures clear selfies and also supports beauty and portrait features that enhance facial details while maintaining a natural appearance. This makes the device suitable for users who enjoy taking selfies or recording short videos. Battery life is another strong aspect of the phone. The device is equipped with a large capacity battery that is capable of lasting a full day with normal usage. This means users can browse the internet, watch videos, play games, and use social media without constantly worrying about charging the device. The phone also supports fast charging technology which helps recharge the battery quickly when needed. With fast charging support, users can get several hours of usage with just a short charging time. The phone runs on a modern Android-based operating system with a customized user interface that is designed to be smooth, user-friendly, and visually appealing. The interface includes useful features such as smart gestures, customization options, and system optimizations that improve overall usability. Users can personalize themes, icons, and layouts to match their style. The software is also optimized to keep the system running smoothly over time. Connectivity is another area where the phone performs well. It supports 5G connectivity which allows faster internet speeds, smoother streaming, and improved online gaming performance when connected to a compatible network. In addition to 5G, the device also supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and other essential connectivity features that modern smartphone users expect. Security features on the phone include biometric unlocking methods such as a fingerprint sensor and face unlock, which allow users to unlock their device quickly and securely. These features make accessing the phone fast while keeping personal data protected. Overall, this smartphone is designed to provide a balanced combination of design, performance, camera capability, and battery life. It offers a stylish look, a large smooth display, capable cameras, reliable battery performance, and modern connectivity features. For users looking for a smartphone that delivers strong everyday performance with a premium design and useful features, this device stands out as a solid option in the mid-range smartphone market.